Alright, so I got some packages today. Yep, and I'm going to be doing an unboxing. Oh, let's see what we got going on here. Alright, here we go. 1, 2. There should have been a third one, but I think the package is getting delayed till Monday. But we can do an unboxing. Just gotta find something to unbox with. So it's probably gonna be a razor blade, but I don't know where I set it. Let me double check the bag. I should have it here. Alright, so found a knife. It's a kitchen knife. So first things first, this is what I'm gonna call it a Walters shift knob. It's actually a pretty cool shift knob. I already have one, but he came out with a weighted design. He 3D prints these shift knobs. And I think he's out of Georgia. Packaged nicely. So I went with a 6-inch. Originally I had a 5-inch. So he wrote upside down for shipping, remove for installation. Okay, so it must have something. So it's actually like, if you look at it, it's a knurl finish. It's really cool. 3D printed. This is a weighted con, so he says I think it weighs 7 or 8 ounces. Now there's a line down the front, but when you put this on the actual car, you can face this line forward. So he has this in here. Alright. So he actually added pennies. I'm sure you can see that right there. He actually added pennies to add weight. So you would just stuff a roll of pennies, I'm pretty sure. So if I was to remove the pennies somehow, which they're pretty jammed in there, I don't think it actually could be removed because this hole's so small. But yeah, it actually has got some nice weight to it. I don't have a scale, or I would weigh it out for you. But it's pretty dope design. I have one currently in the car, like I said. It's 5 inches. This is a 6-inch, I believe. And he sent me a spare fitting. So what this is on a BMW shift knob, you have a slot sort of deal when you take off your shifter, which I might show you in another video or this video. And so what you're going to do is you'll actually go ahead and attach this to the knob, just thread it on a few times, and then place this on top of your knob or your shifter, hit it down, get it to line up with that line, and then you'll screw this all the way on, which in turn tightens this. If you see how this has 4 kind of cuts, it tightens this and clamps it so it actually stays on your shifter really well. There's no way you could really take it off or shift too hard and pull it off. So I'm stoked about this. Alright, and we'll move on to the next one. Alright, so this package is definitely bigger, obviously bigger. So I'm just going to hold this. Actually, I'll unbox it upside down. Let's see, get this light off it. Okay. It's over here. Alright. ahead and unbox it. Now I gotta cut towards myself. Now there goes my shift knob. Alright. This is gonna be a surprise. I mean, I've never ordered one of these. This is like my first time ordering a brand new one. So I know you obviously don't know what it is, but let's just open it up because I'm excited and you will find out. So I'm sure that looks very familiar. So this is obviously a Grip Royal steering wheel, which I'm super stoked about. Super stoked. Okay, looks like I got a little extras with it. My horn button. Oh man, I'm super excited. And the rest is just stuffing. So let's just throw this over there. Throw this crap over there. Alrighty. My receipts. Alright, let's see what we got going on here. Man, I'm freaking excited about this. I'm freaking excited. Oh, okay. So I got some Spade. It looks like Spade style stickers. This is actually really cool. Grip Royal. That's dope. It looks like they sent me. Oh man, what is this thing? A mirror pendant. Please hang this pendant from your rearview mirror to proudly display your acceptance to the Grip Royal family. Please trim the chain length if it is too long. That is awesome. That is awesome. Set that there. Stickers are cool. Alright, it's the horn button I went with. Chrome. It was between chrome or gold. I went with chrome. I'd rather have white. But you know, whatever. This is cool too. Set this here. Alright. Let's see how it unboxes. Yeah, it's upside down. Oh man. This is always good. So nice. Come on, one-handed. There we go. Heck yeah. Alright, let's get you out of here. Into the trash. Alright, so this is what I got. Yeah, okay. So that's what I got. This is the Grip Royal Ace model. Super duper nice. I mean, just picking it up, like, it just feels quality. It's not like janky, lightweight. It's actually got some, it's actually kind of heavy. You would expect it to be kind of flimsy, but I mean, Grip Royal, you know, that's a good name. Even the letters, I mean, that is just so cool. But so, yep, so I went with leather. I like this one. It was between this, the Renown, or the Momo. The reason I went with this, there's a few reasons. Well, first of all, it was on sale. Second of all, this came out cheaper than the Momo would have been. And so third, definitely cheaper than the Renown, is the kind of like the offset, pretty much. Like, this had a deeper dish. This was 66 millimeters. The Momo was 50. The Renown, I'm not even sure. So you can see it kind of kicks out more than the Momo would. So I'm super stoked to have this. It just feels good. The leather's not like super hard, it just feels nice. Let's see what else we have in the package. Okay. So I have my hardware as well. Sweet. I got a warranty disclaimer and how to install it. That's pretty freaking sweet. Awesome. All right. All right, and the last package I have for today from SCP Euro. This isn't the package I was expecting or hoping would arrive today. Actually, I did hope this would arrive today because I do need this for my car. I purchased a slave cylinder. The one on mine is going bad, I'm pretty sure, and leaking. I keep having to puddle brake fluid and it's leaking from the slave cylinder area. And I know mine was maybe going bad or on the way out because it was hard to get into gear sometime. So the package I really wanted today was going to be my hub for the grip royal. That's what I really wanted today, but that's okay. I think it's going to come on Monday, then I can install it then. But today I will definitely be putting on my slave cylinder. I just have to go get a few things from the parts store. Yeah, like I said, I have to get a few things from the parts store, and then I can get rocking. I have a lift I can put my car on, but right now with the weather, it's just been super wet and my shop is downhill. So if I get down there, and then it's highly possible I get stuck up trying to get out. So I'm gonna put it on jack stands, and then maybe if my girlfriend comes over or a friend comes over, they can help me pump the clutch. Even though I do have a pressure bleeder, it's always better to have, you know, someone pumping the clutch too, as well as the pressure bleeder. So, yep, that's pretty much it. Pretty cool unboxing video, I think. I haven't really got to do one of those, and I did skip a lot on my car as far as showing you guys everything. As far as the wheels and the coilovers that I put on, the Beamer World Race exhaust. I mean, I've done a lot to my car, and I just have not filmed it at all. And I mean, also the Recaros as well. So maybe I'll film that, just like how it is. I don't know. But anyways, that's my unboxing video, and I'll just holler at y'all later. Peace.